All right, I have a variety of items here today that I've gathered from various places and that I've had on hand in my home. So we're gonna try to style with this tray here, obviously, and it has a large lip on it and it's kind of deep. So this tray is small and it's a little bit of a challenge because not only does it have like kind of a deep lip on it, but it's kind of a small, tight space. So finding things that fit and go together well is the challenge. So that's what we're going to do today. All right, so I thought that I would start with my little gnome here and make like a Scandinavian style tree. So one thing that I did was I made one of these little wreaths and I just braided. You know, these are those single stems that you get from the Dollar Tree. They come like 12 in a pack. I just braided these and then I took 2 others and I wrapped it around it to secure it. So I'm just gonna slide this over the top here and I'm kind of giving this bottom piece kind of a little wreath here. I want to show you these really cute books that came from the Dollar Tree. They're not there this year, but I picked them up a couple years ago. But they have, so I almost hesitate showing them to you, but who knows, they might have something like this back in again. They have the cutest phrases from famous people and some are unknown quotes in them. So here are a couple Christmas waves of magic, wand over this world, and behold, everything is softer and more beautiful. Norman Vincent Peale. And then on this page we have Dale Evans and it says, every time we love, every time we give, it's Christmas. Okay, and then in this one here we have Washington Irving. Christmas is the season for kindling the fire, for hospitality in the hall, the genial flame of charity in the heart. Anyways, I'm going to incorporate one of these books into this tray today. Tree. I just made a little wreath out of what was left, and I just used a leftover bow from a gift last year. Okay, for the last one here, we're going to do kind of more of a neutral palette, and I'm sticking this in here to help give it a little bit of support. I don't know, I might end up taking it out. So I wanted to show you these little ornaments that I got. If you saw my IKEA shop with me, I got these ornaments here. Just wanted to show you this real quick. These are paper and accordion, and this is so cool. They have magnets on either side, and you just pull it around, and look, they stick right together. You don't even have to tape them or anything. Very cool. Okay, I took out the wreath. Wasn't working. Not going to be on this one. Because this is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Look at these ornaments here. You get 8 of these. They are $3.98 for all of these. Those would be easy to DIY, like paint the front of them. And then also these two. These are the same price and they are the same amount. So I just wanted to show you some things that I found. They are getting more stuff into my store. I wanted to show you this lantern. Now this lantern is $11.98. And I'm looking at it and I'm wondering if some of you out there could tell me if you could DIY this for $11.98. I'm really curious because I'd like to know, because I mean I would like to DIY, but if it's cheaper than DIYing, it's not worth my time to try to DIY it. So I'm really curious what you think. And then I bought these. I think these are beautiful. These are 18 pieces for $4.98. And I'm gonna put those, I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna put them on my mantle or my tree or both, so stay tuned for that. And then I love these little ribbon sets here. I thought these were so nice, and they come packaged together so that you can use them together, and they were inexpensive too. So let me just see here. I know I looked up the price. That's how you can style them together like that. And then, okay, let's get a price. There we go, $8.98 for both of those. And then how many do you get? Right there, 30 feet. So I don't know, I thought that was a pretty good deal. Here are some other bulbs here, 10 of these clear ones for $2.98. I think these would also be great for DIYing for that price. I mean, that beats Dollar Tree. Also here, they have 20 of these for $2.98. Now, I know that Dollar Tree has some similar to this, and I can't remember how many you get in a package there for $1. I'm thinking it's 12, but I don't quite remember. I also liked these. I'm not sure if that's a good deal or not. All right, we're gonna move on over to the trees because I think Walmart has the best price on trees. I have never bought a tree from Walmart, so I'm curious. Those of you who have, these are those pencil trees. The $59 one is green, and then the flocked one is $79. These kind of go fast. Pre-lit pencil trees, inexpensive. This really large tree is $179. I'm gonna just get a closer look for you there and see it has like some berries on it. real pretty, and the snow, like the patchy snow on there. So if you have a Walmart Christmas tree and you love it, could you let us know in the comments? Because I'm curious to know, because I don't have one. This little tree for $25 is so pretty. It's one of those soft touch trees. I really liked it. I feel like it's new. I don't know. Well, this is my last Tier Tray Tuesday video. I said about mid-November, and I am done with that. I need to get going with decorating. I'm going to be hosting Thanksgiving, so I need to get my mind on that. And I have a couple more DIYs coming for you that are Christmas related, and then some decorating videos, and maybe one or two other things come December. So I want to thank you for watching those. I also want to remind you that I did a Celebrate the Holidays playlist this past Sunday, where I had a lot of other YouTube creators with me make videos that are decor, DIY, and recipe related. I'm going to link that in the description. Please check that out. You won't be disappointed. I want to thank Mom Doss from Creative DIY with Mom Doss for helping me out with that and co-hosting. And with that said, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.